Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like coffee? Are you a coffee lover and want to know more about it by reading the best books on coffee? Then, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books on coffee. Let's dive in. Book number 1. Craft Coffee, by Jessica Easto. This book is for every coffee lover who wants to make better coffee at home, giving you a manual to brew better cup at home. Tips: buy fresh, whole bean coffee. Know the type of coffee brewing such as coffee cone, Chemex, French press, and Aero press. Book number 2. The World Atlas of Coffee, by James Hoffmann. The author identifies key characteristics and methods that determine the quality of a country's coffee. Knowing where your coffee comes from is important. Acidity, strength, and flavor are dependent on the growing region the coffee derives from. Usually coffee beans from Africa are dark and acidic. Book number 3. Onward, by Howard Schultz. Document the maturing of Starbucks as well as its CEO Howard Schultz. Here is the vision of Starbucks and its 32,660 stores in the world. Over a cup of coffee, we bring people together. It's time to celebrate what Starbucks has been, who we are, and a reimagining of who we're going to be. Book number 4. Coffee Obsession, by Anette Moldvaer. This book teaches you how to make latte, cappuccino, and other iconic coffee styles as if you were a professionally trained barista. Info: coffee is consumed in such great quantities, it is the world's second largest traded commodity, surpassed only by crude oil. The most used beans are Arabica and Robusta. Book number 5. I Know Coffee, by Jessica Sims. This book walks you through everything you need to know about coffee from the seed to the cup, and even how to taste coffee. Be aware of the sweetness: the better the coffee, the sweeter it typically tastes. The body: this is the weight and feel of the coffee on your tongue, the acidity, and the flavors. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books on coffee? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. See you.